Today is the unboxing review of Suicide Squad Kill the Justice League on PS5. This is a new game from DC Comics, which deemed to be the worst game ever, where we get to see Task Force X, which of course Harley Quinn, Deadshot, Captain Boomerang, and King Shark taking on Brainiac and his brainwash Justice League. So here is the unboxing review right now. And here it is. Suicide Squad Kill the Justice League. And on the front of the cover we have Harley Quinn, Deadshot, Captain Boomerang, and King Shark. Right side. Then on the back we have the evil Superman. Of course, you have the screenplay of every character in the game. And let's see what the disc looks like. And here is the disc plus the classic uniform of the Suicide Squad on their first debut in the comics, which is actually looks amazing. Now, I actually heard actually what people have said about the game being terrible, but compared to this in the Marvel the Avengers game, we knew how both of them may actually have similar differences when it actually comes to the gameplay, but I might actually play it to actually see what everyone is talking about. But all in all, it looks like a really good game, which I could actually play it during my streams, and hopefully it may not be that bad. So anyway, like this video, subscribe for more, and comment what you think about the unboxing review. You guys can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr, and my Facebook page and Twitch. Until then, this is Anime God Runner here saying signing out. Laters.